Video on the project sheet. So the project sheet is automatically created when the customer accepts the quote, and the project sheet is basically just a stripped down version of the quote itself, so exactly the same as the quote with no financial information in. And as I said, most of the time it's going to be created automatically when the customer accepts the quote, but it's worth checking just in case. So you might have to manually do it if it hasn't happened for whatever reason. Here you can see that this has been created. So let's just have a quick look at that. We can see that it's just like the quote. Basically, it has all these details in here, where we're doing it, the things that were listed in the description of work proposed. So this is ideally to tell the engineer, or in this case the carpet fitter, what they have to do. Description of works, customer's going to remove the carpet, cut and spray, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Here are the dimensions and the any materials that we're going to need. So look, we can see that we've got cap bars here that needed to be fitted. We've got 45 square meters of carpet. Here are the dimensions of the carpet, so this tells us which rooms the cuts are going into. So it's pretty straightforward. Now I'm just going to quickly show you how to make this project sheet if you don't have it automatically. So we go back to the quote. If we go and click on our quote, we can see that up here we have the option to create a project sheet. We also have the option down here to create a project sheet, so we can do one or the other. If we hit that button, we can see that we can send a project sheet on an email to someone if we want. Maybe they don't have a smartphone, a bit unlikely, or they want a copy of it. So we could send it, or similarly we can publish it. And once we hit that button, publish the project sheet, it's just going to create another project sheet in the order notes. And that means that any engineer we assign for this job will have access to this project sheet. So order notes. Finally, engineer notes here. Anything that you put in here will appear in the app. So if I leave a message, you know, doorbell isn't working, call client on mobile, that will end up in the notes as well. I can put pictures and videos and so on and so forth, but in a nutshell, that's it.